Good day, class. How are you today? Hope you are staying safe. I welcome you specially into today's class. Remember, I'm still Ogana Sunday, your geography teacher. In the last class, we looked at fishing and cattle rearing in Nigeria. We said fishing is common in areas with water bodies, and animal rearing, that is, cattle rearing, is common in a drier region like Savannah region. For today's class, we are going to look at, still on regional geography, we are looking at vegetation in Nigeria. By the end of this class, you should be able to describe vegetation. You should be able to examine the 5 vegetation belts in Nigeria. And you should be able to draw a map of Nigeria and show the 5 vegetation belts and at least a town where each of these belts are found. And lastly, you should be able to analyze the contributions of each of these vegetation belts to the economy of Nigeria. Meaning of vegetation. Don't forget, it's a revision class. It is a collection of plants. Vegetation is a collection of plants. By plants, I mean trees and grasses. That is vegetation, a collection of plants, trees, and grasses. Let's look at the types of vegetation. We have 2 major types of vegetation, and that is the forest vegetation and the savanna vegetation. The forest vegetation is further subdivided into 2 major groups. That is mangrove swamp forest and rain forest vegetation. That is the division of the forest vegetation. Now, let's look at the division of savanna vegetation. Savanna vegetation is subdivided into 3 vegetation belts. That is the Guinea savanna, the Sudan savanna, and the Sahel savanna. One thing I want you to note here is this. The Guinea savanna is the largest savanna vegetation belt in Nigeria, while Sudan savanna, which is drier than the savanna, than the Guinea savanna, it's followed by Sahel savanna, which is the driest so far. It's found at the far northern part of Nigeria. Let's look at the map of Nigeria to show you the various vegetation belts I have just mentioned. The first one is the forest vegetation, which is divided into 2. The mangrove swamp forest and the rainforest. Look at, this is the mangrove swamp forest. Those subdivided into 2. We have the freshwater swamp forest and the saltwater swamp forest. So this is the mangrove swamp forest vegetation, followed by the rainforest. Look at this color, this one, this deep color of green. This is the mangrove, the rainforest vegetation, followed by the savanna vegetation, that is the Guinea savanna, and then the Sudan savanna. Then the last one, which is the smallest so far, and the drier part, is the Sahel savanna. Let's move further to look at the contributions of the various vegetation belts to the economy of Nigeria. Number 1, the forest vegetation. It provides employment opportunity for people, such as the forest guide. And number 2, it provides food, because you can get fruits from forests. And then raw materials for industries can be gotten through the forests. And we have cash crops, like cocoa can be gotten from the forest too, as well as the government can generate revenue through that if the crops are exported. And lastly, we look at timber. That is, you can get timber from the forest for furniture making, and also the forests serve as a tourist center. Let's look at, lastly, on the contribution of savanna to the economy of Nigeria. Number 1 is game reserve. You know, savanna is a good land for keeping wildlife so that they will not go into extinction. And number 2, crop farming. Arable crop farming is carried out there. You can, you can plant crops like maize, millet in the Savannah region. It's very good at that region. Then employment opportunity too. People that carry out farming, that is the source of living. And we have animal rearing because of the presence of grasses in Savannah area. The animal rearing is done there. And lastly, we look at firewood because of the few trees that are found there. They can be used for firewood and tourism. It's a good place to visit. And lastly, as I have said, we have learned the 5 vegetation belts in Nigeria. And we said we have the mangrove swamp forest, the rainforest, we have the Guinea savanna, the Sudan savanna, as well as the Sahel savanna, the 5 vegetation belts. Kindly remember to turn in your tags as well as your attendance before the end of today. Stay safe and remain blessed. Thank you.